Help me, I'm old and I can't manage my cables.
Cable management is the organization of cables and wires leading to and from the electrical devices on and around your desk. That's cable management. For most people, 15 to 20 minutes is enough time to totally manage all the cables on and around their desk.
That's right, brother.
What is happening?
Well, you know me and Gene, we really don't know what we're dealing with here, man.
If your desk looks anything like mine does, cables everywhere, a disgusting mess, then I hope this guide helps. Make sure the area around your desk is clean. This is also a very good time to take inventory of the things on your desk to decide what you use and what you don't use, and remove the things that you don't use. Remove all non-essential items from the top of your desk. And remember, this may be a good time to also remove your mouse and keyboard so that you can dust. Once the top of your desk has been decluttered, it's time to start putting things back that you use, one thing at a time, and routing the cables behind your desk. After you've replaced your desk essentials, now time to go underneath your desk and remove the cables that are no longer getting used. Take time to identify each of the cables coming from behind your desk, as you will need to group the cables based on where they are coming from. This may also be a good time to label them if you choose to do so. Bundle cables that are already grouped closely. You can bundle your cables using Velcro, zip ties, or twist ties. I chose twist ties because I didn't have Velcro and I don't like cutting off zip ties when I need to add or remove a device. And once you have 2 or 3 bundles, bundle the bundles. Also, bundle any slack cable that is near the floor. Take care not to bundle the slack too tight, as crimping or kinking the cables could affect its ability to transmit or deliver power. Bam! Bam! You're done managing your cables. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate the views. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to. Hit the like button. Tell me what you think in the comments below.
And get ready, because the I-9 benchmark video is coming this Tuesday, you motherfuckers.